Hi, I'm Mary Beth Hobson and I'm a naturalist with Five Rivers MetroParks. I am so excited to show you one of our program kits available through our Five Rivers MetroParks website. We've designed these kits to provide a fun and educational experience for you and your family. Our kits will make it easier to get outside and explore or learn a new skill. Nature is open, and we want to help our community reap the benefits of growing and learning in nature, even if we can't be together in our traditional program setting. If you're like me and you like to watch the birds, have I got a kit for you. The Feed the Winter Birds kit. It's one of my favorites. Why don't we go look inside and we'll check that kit out. So here we have the tote bag that everything goes in, and it's really great to have. It's nice and sturdy, got some handles, and it holds a whole bunch of different treasures. In this kit, we have art supplies to make 4 different types of bird feeders. This one has the stuff to make a very cool and decorated bird feeder. There are instructions in here too. We'll look at those a little later. You also have a smaller water bottle for a finch feeder and a gelatin packet. You get to play with gelatin to make a suet cake feeder for those birds that like to eat off of that type of thing. So there's that. A whole bunch of different supplies. Also, we wouldn't give you the bird feeders without the bird food. So you have a lot of that in here. You have your own suet cake, and you can put this out on a dish or you can hang it up with the string. Sunflower seeds. These are my favorite thing to smell during the summer. They smell so good. And you have a smaller bag of mixed seed. A big bag of finch food. There's a whole bunch of things in there. The last type of things that you'll get, which will help you figure out what kind of birds that you're seeing, is this one. This was donated to us free of charge from the Division of Wildlife in Ohio. And you can actually get online to find more of these, but this is the Common Birds of Ohio. And it has all sorts of birds for you to look at, and it tells you when they're around too. The last thing you get in there is we have a letter to both you, the child or the person who's getting it, or the parent, because in this you not only have the instructions on how to make your feeders, there's some back here, but you also have instructions on how to get onto Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a safe social media platform that we're using to kind of be able to interact with you, and you can show us what you've made, and I can't wait to see it. So if you can give this to your parents, or you can read through it and ask them for permission to get on Flipgrid, you'll be able to see a whole bunch of new things to learn, including videos and articles to read, all sorts of things. So I really hope that you have as much fun with this kit as I had making it. And I can't wait to see you. Make sure you get out on our trails and you come visit us at the MetroParks, because guess what? These MetroParks are your MetroParks. And they're like having a really big extra backyard that you can go play in and explore. So I hope to see you out there, and have a great day.